see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Breakfast today is spaghetti. Nagpaluto yung pinsan ko ng spaghetti para sa kanya kasi gusto niya raw mag-spaghetti. Kahit nag-spaghetti siya kagabi from Jollibee. Yan. And alis tayo mamaya.
Okay. So, yesterday I got another blush. Blush.
Ah, blush. From where?
VLK. I already showed you my other blush, the red one, from VLK, but this time I got a different one.
Different shade.
Yeah, different shade. This is the one I got. It's not like actually purple, and it's Lilac Dreams. That's the shade, and it's also a popular stamp with a heart.
And it's it for the kids.
And it is for kids. Oh, for kids. So it's safe.
Dalawa ma?
So cute. Yep, they come plain white, obviously. It smells so good. Later, I'm going to show you guys what it's like on my cheeks because I'm hungry and I'm going to eat now.
Okay, eat your breakfast now. I'm gonna get ready, okay?
Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm in my clothes, got a skirt and a little top. I'm going to show you my makeup that is safe for kids. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one on my hand, the Lilac Dreams. So cute, the sponge. Oh, wait. And there's, I'm just going to go that bit. You only need one part. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh. If you could see it, it's right there. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to see it with my red one. This is my red one. I've got before, after yesterday. That's when I got it. I think so. I'm just going to, okay. And now just going to press. That's my red one. I'm just gonna see. That is pretty. Should I do a mix? I think I should do a mix, guys. Okay. Let's. Hey. Okay. So. Okay. And here. Okay. And I'm just gonna do mix with this. Is there any showing there? Oh yeah, there is. Okay. That's so pretty. Okay, now, wait, I'll put them back in. Okay, now my lip on. Wait, my lip on. is the one I always had from BLK when I got my red brush. It's so special. That's all. Yeah. So I just put it. There it is. And that is my final makeup. Let me see it in this mirror. Should I add a little bit more blush? Let's be quick. I'll get it go soon. Probably after my mom gets ready. And the other people is coming, which is well. Okay. I just need to know. Oh boy. Oh, I need to put some on my nose. The purple is so pretty. I think I need a little bit more. That's pretty. Okay. Now, this is my final makeup. It probably looks too much tea in the video, but stunning. Okay. My full makeup is done. See you again after I think when we're in the car. Bye.
Chef, pwede painit akong siopaw po. Painit akong siopaw. Dua tabi. Lang. Kain tayo guys. Ang kakain namin ang yun nga. Spaghetti. Tapos may siopaw. Masarap yung siopaw. Nagabis na ako. Kaon na ma. Mag-ano ka da. Ako dan tapos si Kuya Rumi. Hindi pa sure kung makakapunta yung pinsan ko. Yung magdadrive sa amin. Punta kami ng BGC. Kasi nagpa-book ako sa Juno. Yung Korean hairstyle. Or Korean salon. Susan. 1:30 pa naman. 10 ano na. 10. Past 10:40. Hala, 11 na. So, kain lang kami. Kasi nagpaluto yung pinsan ko ng spaghetti. Kasi ito request ni Holly. Pag hindi, nakarating yung pinsan ko. Kasi may hinihintay daw siya yung package. Hinihintay niyang dumating para ma-receive. Kasi pag umalis siya, hindi raw yun i-deliver. O iiwan dun sa bahay niya. Nag-download akong Grab. Pero hindi man ako marunong maggamit ng Grab dito. So, itatry ko lang. Wala pa naman yung isa yung sekretaryo ng pinsan ko. Siya sana yung ipapabook ko. Did you eat a lot, Holly? Oh, that's good. Sana hindi traffic. 1:30 yung appointment. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, baka malate kami. And sabi niya naman sa akin, tawagan ko lang daw sila just in case na malate kami. Para siguro ma-move. Thank you. Dito na pala kami guys sa loob. Kanina pa 27 minutes na lang. nasa BGC na tayo.
What are we up to here?
Nakapagnap na tong konti. Ha?
Are we up to there?
No, not yet. 27 minutes. Kasi an hour and 20 minutes yung biyahe. Plus may traffic pa. So, abot naman ako sa schedule ng aking appointment. Kasi 1:30 yung aking appointment. So, darating daw kami 12:44. 1:30 yung appointment. Si mama sa harapan no po. Doon na ulit tayo guys sa Bonifacio Street. Ayun yung Gentle Monster. Ayan. Doon kayo binaba ni Kuya ngayon. Gumamit ako ng map para mapunta natin si Chona. Yeah, we're gonna turn left, Papa. Ayan, Bonifacio Street. Yung binigay kong address kay Kuya. Ha? 6 minutes pang ano. Ayan, 6 minutes bago natin marating yung salon. Yeah. And then we're gonna turn left. Ayan yung Uniqlo nila dito sa 7th Avenue. Malapit na kami, okay. Malapit na kami. Ayun yung landmark. Malapit daw yung sa landmark. 1 minute away. Mahanap din natin yung Korean salon na yan. Sa mga nanonood sa akin, alam nyo naman na gusto ko talagang magpa-Korean hairstyle. Hindi siya tupad-tupad sa... Hindi ako makabook sa Adelaide kasi laging conflict yung schedule namin nung yung magkakat sa akin. So, hindi kayo magtugma. So ngayon, sa Pinas natin gawin. Okay. Malapit dito. Okay, we have to cross Baba. Here. We have to cross. Yeah. Are you tired?
I got stitch.
Yeah. Sumakit yung dito niya. Mahaba rin yung nilakad namin. Nung binuko ko yung yung Grab, etong address ang linagay ko. Pero binaba kami doon sa Bonifacio Street. Nandito na kami sa ano na ba tayo? Lane A na. Nasa lane, pupunta kay Lane A. Sa 9th Avenue. Tapos magpo-cross kami doon sa 30. Baba. 30th Street. Nasa 30th Street na tayo. Baba. Tapos magpo-cross tayo dito, Holly. Ayan, here, Holly, come on. We have to cross. One minute.
What's the turn?
Here. Okay, turn. Alright. Ayan yung aming guide.
Took us 7 minutes, right?
Yeah, 1 minute. Sinalo namin nawala. 3 minutes away na naman. Ano ba yan? Here, mama. Meron pa kaming 30 minutes bago ang appointment ko. Dapat mahanap ko na to. Magtanong, we're gonna ask someone. Ayun pa natin. Ay, nagtanong mo kami kasi nawawala na ako. Hindi na namin siya makita. Nag 5 minutes, tapos si Kuya tinuro dun sa isa, hindi naman yun. So, may tinanungan ulit kami. Sabi, nandito lang sa may kanto. Have you seen Baba? Did we?
The parking?
Yeah, that's the parking from the other day. Okay.
What's that?
Alright.
Asking.
No, I know. Finally, nakita ko na.
26, we still got time.
It's over there, Baba. Oh, see?
Jungle.
Jono. Kasi Jono, yeah. So, hindi natin nadaanan. Jongwan. Yan ba yan? Hindi. Kainan naman to. Saan siya? Excuse me, pwede magtanong? Nakita niyo ba dito? John,
Ay, dito siya na side.
dito, sure? Kasi galing na kami sabi dito.
Anong street?
Well, we follow the map. Ayan, pero hindi dun eh. Kasi nung finalo namin, parang 1 minute na lang kami kanina. Ayan.
Dito na side.
Dito to?
7 kasi dito.
Oo.
Tapos dito yung 5.
Ayan, 1 minute na lang kami kanina pang 1 minute. Pero, ayan siya, oh.
7. Yung isa ata.
Kasi nasa landmark daw. So, galing na kami doon sa landmark. Hindi namin nakita.
Yung landmark ko dito, liko lang.
Kaya, tapos meron din naman doon.
Sa bandang likod po siya.
Galing na kami doon. Umikot na kami.
Ay, sabay na lang po kayo.
Sige. Thank you. Ayan, nagtanong naman kami sa to. Kasi nakakaano siya. Akala mo 1 minute. 1 minute na lang, pero paikot-ikot kami. Tapos nagiging 3 minutes. Hinatin na rin kami ng isang kuya. Sabi, doon yan, ma'am. Ayan, finally. Nandito lang pala kung saan kami nag-park the other day. Yung kasama namin yung pinsang ko. Ayan yung parking. Ayan yung Juno Hair Salon. Ha? I know. Diyan lang pala. Okay, finally. Yeah, I have an appointment. I just booked 1:30. Just last minute last night. Chona. Finally.
I'm getting a layout.
Nakagaw na tayo kasi sa shampoo na. Lagay ko lang itong. Okay.
Got my melody stickers.
Ha?
My melody.
Okay.
It's a ballerina.
Ballerina, yeah.
So many chocolate already.
Hide it.
Hide it.
Slowly. I have a question because my hair is so dry. I wanna do like hair treatment. What you can suggest?
You mean the salon treatment, right?
Heavy and dry.
Can I
Yeah.
Thunder.
Yeah, bouncy.
Why do you dip keratin? Because of the greenness?
Yes. This is always like wavy and
Coming up.
yeah. I like your hair. I want your hair like that. Yeah, I want like that. Yes, I do. And after me, she wants to do like that as well, right?
Okay. She also wants to haircut.
Yeah, that's one. Like a layer. That's a layer.
Her hair coming up.
Okay.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the
Short?
I don't know.
My legs is really short.
Maybe a little bit longer than yours because this is too long.
Yeah, I know it's too long.
And it's not healthy.
I guess like if you get rid of until here, it
Yeah.
will be okay.
Okay.
And
I
then-
like that one. Yours.
Huh? If you want to,
You want here? You want same ate? You want same ate?
uh,
That's too short.
it's quite freezing, especially.
Yeah.
Huh? If you want to solve the problem with the freezing, you need to do the keratin.
They have to do it.
Because normally if people have no experience with the keratin, I would suggest rebonding. That is probably what's better for. But you you did keratin before. You can't do other things. Difficult to do the other things. So just if you wanted to solve the problem with this frizziness, better to do the keratin.
Okay.
That is the best choice. So even you do the just repairing treatment, it's not gonna be work well.
So if I do keratin, my hair will be like yours,
Like much relaxed.
much relaxed.
But it's gonna be flat. We cannot make a shade in keratin.
I don't want flat.
But you were gonna do the styling. That's why. So you were gonna use the air, right? That's
Yeah,
why it's
yeah.
gonna be okay.
But-
Because,
But can you do like it's not keratin, can I do like volume, like volume? No, I don't want flat. Because it looks really like, I want something to,
but if you not do the keratin
Keratin,
before,
what
I was
is
gonna suggest it to like straighten it first. That will gonna be make your hair side volume, hair side make it straight.
and then a little bit volume. What do you think?
But
For you, what do you think is the best for me? It's hard.
last June, last year,
June,
not
yeah,
this year.
not this year. 1 year, I think.
Only one time in
Yeah.
6 years.
I think,
In 6 years.
but yeah, that because after pandemic, that was the first time we come back in last year. So that's the one I did.
And then before haven't do anything.
2019. Then last year, that's the first time I did my hair. So keratin.
100%. Even we do something or not, we need to cut it until here.
Yes. Because two, yeah. I want like yours. Like chum 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 chum
Everybody
chum.
like my hair.
Yes, because I can see that.
The
See?
layer.
The layer,
The
yeah.
clear layer,
Yeah,
right?
even that fake. Not fake. Your hair is not really fake, but you can see the
Yeah, I
the
can see the
details.
volume.
the
Yeah, that's
details.
right.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
If you want clear texture, better to do the like not keratin, not treatment. Just goes on the curving one will be better.
Like yours. As long as like yours. Okay.
Because here's why you need to straighten it. Here's why we need to add the curling.
Like
Volume to
Yeah.
make the curl. That will gonna be works better.
Okay.
Then we need, if you want like this, we need to go with the curly.
It's up to you. What do you think?
Shadows in my room. Oh, always heard your voice. I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say. Yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away. Still, well, I still cry, I won't lie. But you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us.
So, kanina na shampoo na tayo. Then, after makat, shampoo ulit. Hi! Pwede
Your
siyang
destination is
isama
on the
sa
right.
vlog.
Hello po.
Hello, everyone. Siya yung assistant ni Sally. Oh, si Olin kulit. Ayan.
Sa ko internet.
Ayan, may internet na siya.
Better to take it off the earring.
Okay, alright.
You want to put it in my bag?
No, do you have tissue, please?
You trust me?
Oh, I know.
You know, robot. What do you call that, Holly?
Not that.
Yeah.
Lumicube? Not Lumicube.
Ah, okay.
I don't know. I forgot the scared one.
I don't
What
know.
is the name
What's
is?
the name?
I think I know. I think I don't know. Very good. Huh?
I try, so we'll never know it's hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone. Cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken.
What is that? What is that? Is that gonna make it dry?
You take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away?
Hi, Sally. Hi, Sally. Hi, Mr. Sally. Hi, Sally. Hi, Sally. Hi, Mr. Sally. Oh, Mama.
What's your Korean name?
My Korean name is Chona.
Suyan. Suyam.
Oh, very good spelling. I think it's going to be
Suyam. Suyam.
Soyan.
How did you have to put that in her hair?
Wow. Mama hair becomes so curly. You want?
Yeah.
Feel like a spring?
See that?
Yeah.
What about that one? You bought some.
Here is okay. Here is okay. I was wondering.
It's like a rubber ball.
Yeah. I guess like here, we're gonna be shows really well later when you finish it.
Do that thing.
That one later.
Later.
Okay, a little bit patience, princess. Okay. You want like pigtail? You want?
Okay, hugasan na naman yung ating buhok. Kamusta na si... Ah, sorry. So, parang sample lang yan. Ah, so pabal na 1 minute para tingnan kung okay siya. Ah, makakatulog na ako dito. Pangatlo na natin tong hugas. Okay. Sure.
Still, well, I still cry.
Okay, for now.
What you gonna do for me? What you gonna do?
This one you're gonna be make your hair color. So decide how color the shade you're gonna be for this one. After that, we're gonna do the straightening it tomorrow.
I won't lie, but you'll never know. You'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. We'll never know. Feel good, won't feel bad tonight. Feel good, won't feel bad tonight. Feel good, don't care where you're at tonight. I feel good, you.
She knows so well.
I know.
To control it. So talented.
Kids now, it's...
I won't lie, but you'll never know. You'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving. Us a try, so
Yeah. Oh, dito.
Don't feel bad tonight. I feel good. Won't feel bad tonight. I feel good. Don't care where you're at tonight. I feel good.
Wow, you look so pretty. That's cute.
Everything good?
Good, yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you so much for
Thank
Mom.
you. Yeah. You're next. You like it, Mama?
Yeah.
See you later.
You also want chung chung chung?
All right.
She's the only baby chair I bring. I want the hand lock.
I have to put my earrings first. Give me my.
Excuse me, baby.
Okay.
Can you sit here? Oh, I said wow. Yes. You look like ice cream. You have an ice cream. She like the shampoo.
Ah, very good. Very sobrang good kasi.
No. Oh wow. Is that you?
Yeah.
That was you. I'm just gonna put my earrings back.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm
Wow, Papa, so pretty. Oh my God, that's so pretty. You don't have to tie your hair, okay? So you, yeah. Wow. Oh, who are you? Oh my God. Oh yeah. That's so pretty, Baba. Oh my God. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, we have the same.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Three same.
You and Sally the same.
Thank you so much.
Say thank you. Guys, anong oras naman? Katapos lang namin.
5:58.
Gabi na. Ang tagal. Pero worth it. Ang ganda ni Holly. Ay, naku man. Hi, Baba. Guys, gabi na. Ayan, tapos na kaming dalawa. Later na Baba because we have to eat first. What time is it? Pero worth it naman yung hintayin namin kasi maganda yung service. Yun nga lang matagal. And ayoko yung flat. So, ang sinuggest niya, kasi last year nag-keratin ako, sabi niya, wag muna ako mag-keratin. So, ayaw niya. And then, sabi niya, kung ma-avoid ko, wag ako magpa-bleach kasi hindi raw maganda. Kaya, ito yung sinuggest niya. Si Holly, ang ganda. Ganda ng kanya.
It'll be better when the wind's not here though.
That's right. What time is it, Papa?
5:59.
5:59. So, 1:30 kami nag-start. 5:50. What? 59?
Yeah, 5:59.
Okay. Si Mama, kawawa. Pero si Mama, in-offer naman siya ng coffee.
Sally gave us a present.
Yeah, Sally, yung nag-cut ng hair. Ayan. Okay. Sa side dish, cucumber, yung cucumber, tsaka yung grilled udamami. Yeah. And then, isa nito, tapos hindi ko na yung extra bowl, okay?
Hardest of noodles for ako na portion. So, yung hard, very hard. Recommended is very hard noodles.
Is it recommended? Okay, sige. Tapos,
That's all now.
yes, thank you.
Let's repeat your order, one regular Coke, one Coke Zero, one Arbigomo, one Sardeta Mami, one spicy windows,
Yes.
one Dubans, and for your ramen, para kami tamalo, hard noodles, and kakamara portion.
Yeah, and almost last time. Thank you. Sa amin ni Hot is ang Camaro, torch. Kay Mama is Kalaga. Yeah, Kalaga pa lang sa iyo. In order ko ulit yung cucumber, tsaka yung damami na chard. Tapos meron tayong gyoza and pork bun. Yeah. Wait lang. Ito. Yan. Dito na yung cucumber. Kaya ko itong gawin. Oo. ang ating pork pan and chicken pan. Ano yan?
Para kami tamagos spicy.
Okay.
Hard noodles.
Ayan yung kay mama. Ayan yung sa amin ni Cole. Hati lang ulit kasi last time, hindi niya na. Ma. It is first audio. It's very hot. Have this first.
Oh, you have to eat the other
Just eat whatever you want. Just leave it there. Leave it there. Ubus na ano ito pa ba yun? Ubus mo last time? Yun, isang dako yun.
Ano ba masarap ito natin? Yung grab
Sabi niya
natin
naka... Inaratan niya ulit. Noodles lang talaga. Sabi niya naka... Ha? Wow! Ayan. Ang ino-offer sa akin right ni Mama yung kanya PWD. Ano ba ito? Ay, sorry. Ano ako pilay? Mali pala. Ano ito? Senior. Ay, no, pala sa akin senior. Sorry po, hindi pala PWD. Senior.
Okay na, December na. Pwede na mag-work.
Mama, akala ko siya mabayad. Sabi niya, joke. Eh, ano mo yun? Akala ko siya mabayad.
Dahil mananakuha ka. Sabi mo, paano lang ka?
Aloy?
Marog sa iya, daan mataga. Pag man, ito pa mo.
Oh, we go.
Ano po ako
Yeah.
napapano?
Yeah, leave it now.
Dahil man nag-iiro.